So, how do you use ChatGPT for a quick meal planning? So, to start off, I have already opened up ChatGPT on my browser. And for this to work, you need to log in with an account. So, you can log in through Gmail or Google. So, to start off, let's head over and type in a prompt. So, whenever you're trying to do a quick meal plan, you just need to tell ChatGPT this prompt. And here you need to tell ChatGPT your current goal and your current weight. So let's say my goal is to gain 10 pounds and my current weight is, let's say, current weight is 120 pounds. And here you just need to click on enter. So this meal plan is accordingly to the caloric target. So the caloric target is not really based off the current weight you have, but is based off on the type of workout you do. And pretty much your age, your gender, your height affects the overall caloric target that you need. So, so this is just an example. So for this one, as you can see, it has created a meal plan for us. So for breakfast, for morning snacks, for lunch, for afternoon snacks, for pre-workout and post-workout, and for dinner and evening snack. And it gives us some tips. So this is basically how you use ChatGPT for a quick meal plan. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful topics.